We've arrived at the Lyndon B. Johnson State Park. You can hear Jazz, she's ready to get out.
She's like, let's go.
We have to go into the visitor center and get our driving permit to go over to the Lyndon B. Johnson National Historical Site. You do if you have a car. I think they said we still needed them with the bikes, so we're gonna run in there and do that. We're gonna unload the bikes.
He's just trying to get filmed. Oh yeah!
We're about to enter the Lyndon B. Johnson Historical Park. I'm supposed to turn my GoPro off because with the reinstitution of no filming in national parks, there's a lot of confusion. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to go ahead and we're going to make a video about this, and I'm not going to monetize it. So we'll see how that goes. I mean, by the rules, as long as it's not commercialized filming and you're not making any money on it, it's supposed to be okay. But of course, one of the problems is that YouTube a couple of years ago instituted a policy that they could put ads on anybody's video, regardless of whether it was monetized or not. But for the record, I'm not going to monetize this video, and if anybody is making money on it, it would be YouTube. So, National Park Service, if you have a problem with that, go after them, not me.
It takes practice. Several. That's a bigger buck. There's a little point buck in the last herd. There's a bigger buck for that. That's a good size buck.
So what'd you think of our little ride?
It was a good ride. It was kind of windy, but it was good. It wasn't too cold. I mean, it was a little cool spots here and there.
So one thing I learned is that you certainly wouldn't want to pull a trailer back in there on the auto tour.
Probably not.
That narrow road we were on, I mean, it was fun on the bikes and it'd be okay in a car, but it certainly wasn't towing friendly.
No, there was bus parking though.
Yeah, they'd have to go the wrong way to get over there though. You know, I mean, not up through that whole.
I don't know. It was interesting, but it was pretty.
Yeah, so check another National Historic Site off.
Yes.
Got a stamp for our passport, like usual. We forgot the passport itself, so we just had to stamp the paper, which we'll put in. But we did get a patch and a pin. And
Nice.
now we're gonna go have a little bit of dinner.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna enjoy the Christmas lights in Johnson City. So we're not over with this yet.